In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear Telegram cache on Windows, step by step, so you can free up space and keep the app running smoothly. This is a quick and easy fix if Telegram is taking up too much storage on your PC. And the best part is, you can do it right inside the Telegram desktop app without needing any extra tools. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Telegram desktop application on your Windows PC. Once Telegram launches, look to the top left corner of the app and click the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This opens the main menu where all the important settings are located. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you into Telegram's main settings panel. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find Advanced, then click on it. The Advanced section is where Telegram keeps storage, network and performance options, so this is the area we need. Now look for Manage Local Storage and click on it. This is the menu that controls the cached files Telegram has stored on your computer, including photos, videos, and other downloaded content. Once the local storage window opens, you should see an option to clear the cache. Click Clear All. Telegram may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and approve it if prompted. After that, the app will remove the cached files from your Windows PC and free up storage space. And that's it, you've successfully cleared Telegram cache on Windows. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference if your storage is getting full, or Telegram feels like it's using too much disk space. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.